Definitely going to be warm tonight. You know, we have basically, I think I jinxed us because I said setting these records aren't great. And I think we just set like 3 more.
Is this all your fault?
Probably.
Okay.
No,
we
I
were
know.
looking for someone to blame for this.
I know. Oh my gosh, no, I wish I was that powerful. But I definitely think that things are going to cool off in the very near future. And that is some much needed and some fantastic news to hear. Cedar Hill. You can see some cloud cover there, currently sitting at 107, the heat index 108. All right, so we actually hit 110 today, making it the hottest day of the year. It also makes it the 4th hottest temperature at DFW Airport ever on record. And then we have hit 110 at the airport 6 other times. So this is our 7th time to do it. So yeah, setting records left and right today, unfortunately. And then your normal temperature right around 94. That's where we should be in a more perfect world. But we will cool down, as I mentioned before, moving on ahead in the 10-day. Just looking at more Texas temperatures, slightly cooler right now, right around 107 in Fort Worth and Dallas. And then right around Gainesville, 103, Denton 108, McKinney 107. Your dew points and your winds, well, I'll show you the winds first. Your winds are light, but your dew points, especially for counties that are north of DFW, a little bit lower. So that is helping with those heat indices. The heat index isn't quite as intense today. You do have a little bit of you can just see some pop-up showers that we're watching right around Terrell and Canton. They seem to be drying out pretty quickly, although it does look like this one is just now west of Terrell, right along I-20. But this is going to be a situation that probably most of this activity happens before 7 p.m. tonight. You can see a little bit of cloud cover increasing as we move throughout the evening. And then we do have better rain chances this weekend. What's going to happen is that heat dome that's just been taking hold of Texas, it's going to move to our west, which really isn't a fantastic place for it to be, but at least it's going to allow some cooler air from a shortwave or a trough. Cooler air is going to push down, and I think you'll probably feel a lot better when you walk outside next week, at least hopefully more comfortable. This is what we're seeing as far as that temperature drop. So around 5 p.m. on Monday, you know, right around 5 o'clock today, we're sitting at 105, 108, 109. This is going to be around 94, which, if you remember, is right where we should be around this time of year. So you can look forward to those cooler temperatures. They are literally just a few days away. Tonight, light winds going to be muggy, low of 84 degrees overnight. And then also looking at tomorrow, it's going to be hot tomorrow. The cool wave, or I guess the cooler temperatures, really the bigger cool front moves in on Sunday into Monday. And then we have a less one, I guess, that would really move in Sunday morning. And then it's going to drop temperatures down slightly, but you're going to see the change starting on Monday. So you see the weekend's going to be hot, 106, 104, 20% chance of showers on Saturday, mainly after 1 p.m., 40% on Sunday, and 30% on Monday. But look at Monday, our high dropping down to 97, and then we stay in the 90s at least Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We start to creep back up to the triple digits after that. But at least it's not 110. You know, you got around 100 degrees for high on Friday. So it will be warm as we head into the weekend next week, but we do get a break this week, and those lows in the morning are going to be really nice. We're back in the 70s, Jason.
Ooh, that's going to feel really good.